Hi everyone! Welcome back to Ortuss Accessories. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to create a stunning black crystal beaded choker with a simple and elegant design. This step-by-step process is easy to follow. Here's what you'll need to make this choker. A clasp, jump rings, head pins, eye pins, extension chain, black crystal beads. Now that we have everything, let's get started. First, take a head pin and slide one black crystal bead onto it. Using your round nose pliers, create a loop at the end of the head pin. This will be the first link in your chain. Next, take another head pin, slide on another crystal bead, and pass the head pin through the loop of the first head pin. Then, use your pliers to create a new loop at the end of this second head pin. Now you have two connect links. Continue this pattern, adding a crystal bead to a head pin, connecting it to the previous loop, and forming a new loop until you reach your desired length for the choker. Once your beaded chain is complete, attach an eye pin to one end of the chain and create a loop at the end of the eye pin using your pliers. On one end of the choker, attach a clasp to the loop you just created. On the other end, add a jump ring and the extension chain. This will make your choker adjustable and comfortable to wear. Double-check all your loops to ensure they're secure and properly aligned. And that's it, your elegant black crystal choker is ready to wear. I hope you enjoyed making this beautiful choker with me. If you love this design but don't have the time or tools to create it, you can purchase it directly from my Instagram shop or website. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more jewelry making tutorials. Let me know in the comments what kinds of designs you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.